In this video, we will demonstrate the process of sharing one's location via WhatsApp. To initiate, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone or Android device and access the desired conversation. Subsequently, locate and tap the plus button situated on the left side of the screen, followed by selecting the location option. At this juncture, you are presented with two alternatives: transmitting your current location or choosing from a list of nearby locations. By selecting a location from the provided list, the recipient of your message will be able to view the shared location on a map. Furthermore, WhatsApp offers the functionality to share your live location for a predetermined duration. This feature allows you to share your location for a period of 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. It is important to note that you retain the ability to terminate the sharing of your live location at any time by clicking the designated button. In essence, these are the fundamental steps involved in effectively sharing your location using WhatsApp.